Hey there, welcome back. Got a drip coming from your stopcock? Droplet. Annoying little puddles under your sink or in your cupboard. Don't panic, you don't need a plumber for this. In fact, I'll show you how to fix that leak in just 10 minutes with nothing more than a spanner and some PTFE tape. Let's get right into it. Here's the stopcock we're working on. This one has a drain off, but the fix applies to most types. See that little drip coming out from the gland nut area? That's where it's leaking, right around the top, under the turning handle. Tools and materials needed. 1. An adjustable spanner or small wrench. 2. A bit of PTFE tape, also called plumber's tape. 3. A flathead screwdriver. Step 1. Loosen the gland nut. First, take a spanner, wrench, and gently loosen the gland nut. Don't worry, you won't get soaked. Just loosen and pull it back enough to see the space around the spindle. Step 2. Prep the PTFE tape. Now take some PTFE tape, the white plumber's tape. You'll only need about 5 to 6 inches, 12 to 15 centimeters. Wrap the PTFE tape neatly around the spindle, just below the gland nut area. Make sure it's snug but not bulky. This will help seal the leak when we tighten it again. Step 3. Repack and tighten. Use a small screwdriver to press the tape gently into the gland area. Push it in all the way around to make a good seal. Then, take your spanner and tighten the gland nut again. Not too tight though. It should be firm, but still allow the stopcock handle to turn. Step 4. Check for leaks. Wipe the area dry using kitchen roll or a paper towel. Then watch for any signs of water. If it stays dry, you're done. That's how you fix a leaking stopcock in just a few minutes. So there you go, a simple DIY fix for a leaking stopcock. You didn't need a plumber, didn't spend a fortune, and now your cupboard's not filling up with water. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more easy home fixes. Like the video if you enjoyed DIY tips, and drop a comment below if you've got a question or a plumbing problem you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.